Karnataka BJP President B.Y. Vijayendra has launched a sharp attack on Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar for cancelling his official visit to Davos, where he was scheduled to attend the World Economic Forum. In a post on social media platform X, Vijayendra alleged that the Congress leadership places party interests above national and state priorities. He said the Davos summit was a crucial opportunity to showcase Karnataka as a global investment destination and attract industries beyond Bengaluru. Vijayendra claimed that Shivakumar skipping the summit reflected the Congress leadership's apathy towards governance, especially at a time when the state requires economic revival and job creation. The BJP leader further alleged that the official engagements cited by Shivakumar were linked to an internal power tussle within the Congress between Deputy Chief Minister and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. He also pointed out that both Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah did not receive German Chancellor Friedrich Merz during his recent Bengaluru visit, as they were meeting Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. Meanwhile, speaking at Karnataka Bhavan in New Delhi, Shivakumar declined to comment on leadership issues, saying internal party matters would not be discussed in public. He also remarked that the media had begun acting like the party high command.